close your eyes. Would you dream for me some paradise? Tell me who you see, 'cause
Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it, as it really means a lot to me. So in this video, I'm going to create this look which is inspired from Sonam Kapoor in the shoot of her Veere wedding. And you can also carry this look if you're going to attend any wedding parties where these things are just down, so you can carry this look easily. Without any further ado, let's go straight up in this video. So I'm starting my makeup with this moisturizer which is from Lotus, and it is a very nice moisturizer for oily skin girls. So if you are applying any matte foundation, I suggest to go for the moisturization first. For my primer, I am using here the Color Bar primer, and it has very nice siliconic texture on which your foundation glides so easily. For my foundation, I am using here the L'Oreal Pro Matte Infallible Foundation with the help of this very brush which is from Pack 265. I am blending it. It is a very matte foundation, so that's why I have applied moisturizers before. So if you have oily skin like me, I'll definitely recommend this foundation. And just to conceal all those pigmentation from my face, I am using here LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it is in the shade Fawn. It will also provide some sort of highlighting to my face. And again, with the help of this very brush which is Pack 265, I am blending it. This is the best brush I can say if you are searching some brush for blending purpose, I'll definitely recommend it. And for more highlighting, I am using here again the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it is in the shade Yellow Corrector. As you can see in the picture, my face is looking so highlighted, and just because of that, I am highlighting my face more. And to set my highlighter on its place, I am using here the loose powder from Miss Claire, and it has got very nice yellow undertone which will just brighten up my face, and I am applying here with the help of this beauty blender. For my eyebrows, I am using here the Faces brush and my very own palette, and this is the Makeup Revolution I Had Chocolate palette, and I am just filling my eyebrows. And to hide any pigmentation from my eyelid, I am using here again the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it is in the shade Pure Beige. Their textures are really very good, and if you are having problem of blending or something, you can easily go ahead with this concealer. It will not make your face look cakey at all. And with the help of this loose powder, I am shading all this concealer. For my eyeshadow, I am using the same very palette, and I am taking this lighter color in my crease and going in slowly fan motion with the help of a very precise brush, and its number is Proarte PE23. And with the more fluffy brush, I am just blending it just so as to avoid any harsh lines. And now taking the more darker color, and with the help of this precise brush, I am patting it on my eyelid. And taking this Miss Claire Mono eyeshadow, and this is shade number 0824. It is a black color. I'm just patting it over my eyelid to get that more smoke out effect. I'll just blend it a little, not too much, to create that smoky eye effect. And with the help of this fluffy brush, I'm just blending it with a little. And with the help of this Makeup Revolution palette, which is flawless, I'm taking this darker blue color on the outer view of my eyes. And taking this Maybelline liner, I'm just patting it, I'm just applying it over my lids to get that more darker effect, more bluish effect which I wanted to create. To avoid any harsh line, I'm just blending it a little. For my inner corners, I'm taking this copper color, copper shimmery color, and for my brow bone highlighting, I'm using here the pink shimmery highlighter. And now I'm dusting off any of the excess powder from my face, and if there has been any fallout, it will also get out of my face so as to create a clear canvas. For my liner, I'm using here my very familiar liner, which is Sugar I Told You So. I have no words for this liner. This is my favorite, my all-time favorite liner. I'm just creating a simple wing liner because she is carrying the wing effect on her eyes, so that's why I'm putting a wing liner. For the lower line, I'm using here the Stay Quality Cool Kajal, and I'm just adding a little bit of more smoked out effect on my eyes. And as for the picture, she's also carrying this effect, so that's why I'm trying to imitate her. Smudging a little with the help of this color bar smudger brush. And now I'm using here LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it is in the shade Beautiful Bronze. It is going to be a cream contour, that's why I'm applying it. Adjusting a small amount, and I'm being so precise before applying it. And with the help of this Real Technique sculpting brush, I'm blending it. This is a very nice brush for contouring. I totally love this brush. As it is again a concealer, so I am setting this with the help of this Makeup Revolution Mono Eyeshadow in the shade Delicious. I am just setting all those contours. And for the blush, I am using here Maybelline Cheeky Glow, and it is in the shade Peachy Sweetie, and I am just applying on the apple of my cheeks. And as for the picture, I am highlighting my face again because of this Miss Clear Shimmer Wick. I am just adding those shimmers on the apple of my cheek and on the nose point. And for my love part, I'm applying here lipstick which is from Lakme 95, and it is in shade Rose Top, which has got a really nice nudie, little bit pinky nudie under touch, and I totally love this color. And yes, any look is incomplete without mascara, so I'm adding this mascara which is from Maybelline Falsies Mascara. And last but not the least, I'm applying here the bindi just to have that final effect to my look. And this is how my look turned out. I really enjoyed doing this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, do hit that like button and subscribe my channel for the further updates. Till then, take care guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.